This is question number 19 of quiz 9 for chapter 8. Refer to the diagram to the right, which shows the cost and demand curves for a profit maximizing firm in a perfectly competitive market. If the market price is $30 and the firm is producing output, what is the amount of the firm's profit or loss? Actually, the profit maximization maximizing point is determined by the intersection of the marginal revenue and the marginal cost. So marginal revenue when marginal revenue equals marginal cost, then profit is maximized. So in this chart, we can see that the marginal revenue is a horizontal line. That's to be expected because for the competitive firm, marginal revenue equals market price. And in this case, market price is $30. So marginal revenue is also $30 everywhere. So the profit maximizing point is determined by the intersection of this horizontal marginal revenue curve and this marginal cost curve. So it's right here. So this point has a price of $30 and the output is 180. So we know the price, we know the output. To determine the profit or loss, we just need to subtract the total cost from the revenue. That's the profit or loss. So here we also given the average ATC, that's the average total cost curve. So average total cost is simply the total cost divided by the output. So once we know the average ATC, average total cost, we can just multiply by the output to get the total cost. And this chart tells us for this output 180, the ATC, the average total cost is $36. That means for each unit of the output, the firm actually is making a loss. How much loss? Because the firm is charging a price of $30, and for each unit the firm sells, the cost it has to incur is 36. So for each unit, it loses $6. And now we have 180 units. So the total loss is 180 multiplied by 6. 6 times 180. That gives me $1080. $1,080. So it's a loss of 1080. So I choose A and check my answer. Your input is correct. So some of the students may be tempted to use this AVC curve, the average variable cost, but that excludes the fixed cost. But fixed cost is also a portion of the total cost. So we should use the average total cost rather than this AVC, the average variable cost.